Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to change package name in your Flutter project. If it happens that you want to change your Flutter project package name, and the first thing is going to your mind is going to Android and app and open build.gradle and find your package name here, and you can change it. And if you run the application now, you will be surprised that your application is not going to work anymore. And beyond that, you will get a lot of errors here in your imports in your Flutter pages. And as you see here, it says no matching client found for package name iflips.encha with the I. And after search, you will find out that there is multiple locations that you need to change the package name in these locations. Others suggest to use change app package name, but in this video I'm gonna to show you how that you can change it with very simple way if you are using Android Studio or even Visual Studio Code. With very simple way actually.
Cool, awesome. Cool.
Now we go here to the project source and right click and select replace in path, and we are gonna to enter the old package name, which is encha with the E, and here we are gonna to find the location that have this package name. And now let's add the new package name and select replace all. Nice. So let's run the app once again and find out if the application will still working. Now as you see, the application is working without any issue. But what about if you are integrated with Firebase? The first thing you have to do is go here and delete this Google services, revealing Finder, and move the trash. After that, you go to your Firebase project and here project settings. Here you will find the old app for Android or iOS. Let's remove this app and add it once again. Here with the new package name and here with the application name. Next and next. You just need to continue to console and download your Google Services.json file again and go to your project in Android, in app, and save. You need to stop the app again and run it again to make sure that everything is okay. Now the app is working. Let's try to create a new account. If we go here to authentication, you will find here a new account just created now. Oh,